Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. So I'm going to show you this lovely Ford Focus we've currently got for sale with just one previous owner. So it features the fantastic 1 litre turbocharged EcoBoost engine, the ST-Line form as well. It's got plenty of standard equipment which I'll show shortly. Being in a previous car from ourselves, you will get a minimum of 12 months warranty on this car as well. So you've got total peace of mind there. You've got LED daytime running lights to keep you visible on the road at all times. You've also got front fog lights there as well to provide a little bit of extra visibility, especially in difficult driving conditions. Just down the side of the car, you've got these lovely gunmetal grey alloy wheels. Finish off the exterior perfectly, go really nice against this red paintwork. ST-Line badging just on the wing there, is heated folding wing mirrors to the side for extra convenience. You've got your privacy glass from the B pillar backwards as well, aiding in sun protection. Just jumping into the rear of the vehicle. Got these lovely pattern seats with the contrasting red stitch in there. Nice fixed points for the outer seats for any smaller passengers. You also got a little bit of netting as well, just on the back of the front seats, for any storage, such as there for any magazines or any iPad you can store in the back there. Your front and rear parking sensors stand on this car, making it nice and easy to park up. You've got total peace of mind there. And a generous amount of boot space as well, with the 60/40 split folding seats. Provide even more room for luggage such as suitcases for any weekends away. Jumping into the front of the car now. Got these aluminium pedals, finish off the really sporty look. Just a close look at those seats. You've got a centre armrest there as well to provide extra comfort, especially on those longer journeys. And a lovely gloss trim just on the dashboard as well, helps lift up the interior. And that concludes the 360 walk around. We're going to jump behind the wheel in a moment. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. There's plenty of more cars to come. Just behind the wheel now, you've got your perforated leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control options just on there as well as your assistance system such as your lane keeping assist to keep you nice and safe on the road at all times. On the right hand side controls all information on this beautiful digital display. It's fully customizable, depends on what information you want to view. You've got your different driving data there, such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. Just moving on to the touchscreen infotainment system. So plenty of entertainment on there. You've got your digital radio, so plenty of storage for your favourite stations. You've got a huge range of options with the station list for all the different regions there as well. Get multiple media inputs. You've got a couple of USB ports and of course your Bluetooth connectivity to keep you connected to your phone calls and also music streaming. Keep you nice and entertained on the move. And the brilliant satellite navigation system built into the car as well. Spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. A couple of different driving apps as well. You even got Apple CarPlay preparation there for your mobile phones. You can mirror apps onto the screen such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Quick view at your park pilot system there. You've got your CD player and volume controls there as well. You can also turn off the display. A little further down the cabin, you've got your air conditioning there. So plenty of adjustment, it's nice and easy to use even while driving. In a Ford, you've got those climate heated front windscreen as well, fantastic for those cold winter mornings. A little bit of storage in front of the gear stick as well as the USB port there. A couple of little adjustable cup holders there as well, to keep any objects in place. You've got another USB port just under that armrest as well to charge multiple devices. A really nicely well equipped Focus. Back to your driving mode, you've got eco mode there. You've got a sport setting as well for a more dynamic drive. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please give our friendly sales team a call on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. Don't forget to ask about a flexible finance option on this car as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching and take care.